Okay, so let's see what we have here today. Yo, say black car lost control while drifting, bro. Yo, how can you be drifting like that? What was the plan, bro? Like, what was the plan? What was the plan? Like, how can you overtake someone and brake check that person, bro? Like, this thing seems so funny to me. They say a reckless driver brake check my semi truck, and imagine a little car like that trying to brake check a truck, landing to a hard collision. I call the cops. Thankfully, with my dash cam record, did everything. Yo, like maybe some people just want to sacrifice themselves. That's all.
For this virus, a vaccine or something that we can point to and say this is.
Yo, yeah. Wait. Have this driver lost control or what? Nah, bro. Bro, that red car, maybe that driver might be sleeping, bro. He might be sleeping. Yo, the three men in the truck were unharmed, but the incident is a strong reminder of the danger of drunk driving. I say, bro, he might be sleeping or he is drunk because a normal person cannot drive like that. There's no way a normal person without sleeping, without drinking alcohol, bro, he cannot drive like that. Shit. What the hell? What the hell was that? I did not see that properly, bro. Let's watch it once more. What? He said a serious accident involving another truck and a car during a challenging weather condition as the rain poured down and visibility dis- decreased. the drivers struggled to maintain control of their vehicles. That was so bad. I just hope that everyone is safe. Whoa. Yeah. This is what always happen when it's winter, bro. Like if you do not have a good tire, bro, you are always in trouble. Yo, what happened on this side? Yo, you see, we have been following the erratic truck, speeding up and slowing down, struggling to stay in the lane. Then it finally happens. Thankfully, she was okay. Oh,
Nice.
sure. I don't know. Winter season, bro. Wait, bro. Like, is he trying to brake check another person, bro? Yo, and the driver is trying to road rage him too. Yo, that driver was trying to cross a double lane, bro. Is that a tire? That was a storm?
California. Those beaches just happen to be in Los Angeles where I live, but you know, beaches nonetheless. Yeah. I took it easy. I got back to my roots, you know.
Bro, some drivers like what? Say a car collide with a bicycle. Why? Say who was crossing the road? The impact was sudden and bystander quickly gathered as the cyclist fell to the ground.
It was a staycation week. Justin's here. We're here to talk about what little there is happening in the NBA. So that includes great sell. No, I mean because it is like a 10.5 month.
The truck driver nearly caused an accident. Shit. Oh, the late tinker tried to cut in front of my semi truck without checking. He is a late tinker though. Yo, this SUV is going crazy like all alone. His defensive driving made all the difference as he picked up again. So great. This is what happens when you are impatient, bro. Like a very big truck like that trying to bypass the traffic. The hell? I thought it was a great idea to cut this guy off like that. Like, look at this other one want to you want to cross a double lane. Like, why are you worried, bro? People are so hurry in the street like they never going to get where they want to go, bro. So somebody's trying to overtake at the side, bro.
You guys are idiots. Now I can't fucking go anywhere.
Patient driver, you got to leave after a delivery. Is
You guys are stupid.
correct road. No, that's so crazy.
And then
What, like, what is
Jesus
this truck
fucking
trying to
Christ.
do, bro?
I just got ran off
Is
the
he trying
road.
to change the
big time.
lane? Or what?
Yeah. I'm about ready to get my ass run over by a local truck. God damn it, fucking day cab. Don't you see me fucking here? You wait till the last fucking minute to move over. On the CV.
There's an object on road ahead.
There's the victim. Oh my god, there's a fucking tire. Holy fuck. Okay, Garmin. Say video. Jesus Christ, that was fucking scary. That was fucked up, dude. Hold on, let me call you back.
So yo guys, if you enjoy watching the video, like you feel like the video is, for educational purpose, like it's educative, you can hit the subscribe button, like and share the video, put the notification bell on so anytime I post, you will know that the boy have post, bro. Since this is a new